And to ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with a licensed broker or accredited salesperson. Hi everyone, this is Asa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And behind me is this brand new modern house for sale, and this one's located here in Mabalacat, Pampanga. We are located at secured subdivision, and also we are very close to Expressway and SNR. Now let's check your house. Entering from your pedestrian gate, on my left is your extra space, could be your pocket garden, and also accessible siya going to your service area. So marami ka pang space for your service area and lanai. Dito naman sa kanan natin, you have a single carport, fully covered. Napakaluwag kasi white yung paint niya, and you have a manual gate. And for your main house, bago tayo pumasok, you have a smart digital lock. From there, I'll see you inside. Now, for your main door, you have a solid wood, and again, you have a smart digital lock. And I want to introduce you, meron tayong guest for today, introducing Michelle. She handles this house, and then thank you kasi inallow niya tayo mag full house tour. Ayan, I'll see you later ulit, Miss Michelle. Okay. Sa living room natin, this house is unfurnished, pero you have basic appliances na sa kitchen natin. I'll show you later on. Living room, ang ganda ng ceiling nyo, may mga wooden accent siya. And mostly pin lights lang yung gamit nila, so that's tipid sa kuryente. And we have own air-conditioned unit na included. Over here on this side naman is your entertainment wall. Good thing you have just plug in your TV, ready na yan. Over here, may mga cabinets na. May mga saksakan na siya. Ayan. Maganda ng pagka-design. And that's a soft close. Bam. Di mo siya mababa. May mga shelves na to put your collections or family portrait. Usog naman tayo ng konti. From your open space living room is our dining area. You can still put up to 6-seater dining table dito. And thank you, meron ng, ano kasi to? Ceiling fan. Then sa likod ko naman, pasyalan na natin, is your open lanai. Could be extension of your dining area pag may mga events tayo over here. Pwede mag-grill, oh. I was there kanina. You have your pocket garden on that side. Open lanai. Continuously going to your service kitchen. Pero siguro, let's explore that later on pa. Diba marami siyang space dito? Babalik tayo sa loob. Lagpasan ko lang ulit yung dining area nyo is your spacious and a very nice kitchen area, formal kitchen. You have L-type. At the same time, meron ka ng island countertop dito. And ang galing, ang dami niyong lutaan. You have 5-burner stove. And then may range hood na siyang kasama. And also, one good thing about this is yung gas tank nito, meron siyang connected na tubo. So, nasa labas siya. Hindi siya dito sa loob. Well, that's very safe. Sa ilalim naman ito, ang dami niyang kalat. And then, brand new yung bahay. Ang dami niyang drawers. Ito naman, ayan. And then, spacious drawers. And over here, may maliit na siyang sink for the mga nagluluto, di ba? Yung mga very OC pag nagluluto. Ganun ako eh. Luluto ako, nagpupunas ako ng ganyan. Automatic wash hands. Di ba may something gano'n, yung ibang nagluluto? And then sa likod, mga storage natin. And may mouse for it. May pull out ka dito. Maayos nyo talaga yung mga spices. So, di ba? Just imagine, nagluluto ka dito, talikod ka lang. Talikod niya kasi yung fridge. Pero di ba, lahat ng kailangan nyo, malalagay nyo dito. Kasi ang ganda ng kitchen niya, napaka-spacious. So, these are included, mga basic needs na natin dito for your kitchen. All brand new. Cabinet in. Open ko lahat yan. Okay? Dito, just add your additional appliances. And mataas siya, in fairness. Yung backsplash na mataas. And syempre sa likod ng double sink na to, yan na yung dirty kitchen natin or auxiliary kitchen. Daily kitchen. Tingnan natin. Another solid wood going to your outdoor kitchen. So dito simple lang. Pero you can still upgrade this sa liking nyo kapag once you avail this house. And then dito located yung tank nung lutuan natin sa formal kitchen. Nandito siya ilalim nito. Then over here again, dito pwede maglagay ng laundry area. Ito siya kasi may gripo na, may sink, may drainage. Kasi spacious pa and mahangin. Pwede magsampay. Well, depends on you. Okay, another door dito sa ground floor is our, syempre, guest powder room. Okay, toilet, sink, and then dito may mga shelves na to put your candles, tissue, the guest, diba? Alright, that's it. What do you think? Let me know, and you can leave a comment on comment section. And from there, let's explore the second floor. And kung bago man kayo sa page namin, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. I love your staircase, maluwag. And yung hindi nakakapagod akyatin. Before I continue going to your second floor, shout out to this partners po, to Miss Christina and Mike. Sana po magkabili na kayo. Viewing ko lang sila kanina. Pakbait nila. And thank you for watching po sa mga videos namin ni Mr. K. Okay, marami tayong windows over there. Dito naman, which also gives us natural lights and highlights yung mga wooden finishes ng bahay. Now, dito, meron tayong agad pinto. But this is your common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Like here you have your sink, your toilet, and gusto ko yung shower nila. Shower enclosure. And frosted pa. So kahit nakasara, may pwedeng umihi. Siyempre pag family. Next door. And even yung height, gusto ko mataas. Eh, lahat ng door solid. Ipasok naman sa next room, which also uses that toilet and bath. Ito yun. Next room, first bedroom natin. Lahat ng bedroom dito sa second floor located. You have own air conditioning unit. Over here, sa other side naman niya is yung huge cabinet. My viewers love cabinets. Sino ba namang hindi? Ang laki. Yeah, sensor yung light niya, yung pag in-open mo to. Oh, bubukas din yung ilaw. Ang ganda nito. Paggawa ng cabinet na to. Pati sa baba niya. Pati mga cabinet, soft close. Ayan. Shelves for the bags. Next room. Or next door. Second bedroom. Second bedroom, pagpasok natin, natin na yung cabinet. Pakita na rin natin. Oh, see, may ilaw din. And then, ito na yung front ng property. Tapos may corner window pa siya dito. Diba, add na lang ng mga curtain. Well, it depends on where you wanna put your bed. Pwedeng dito, pwede din kasing dito, pwede din dyan. Nasan si Mr. K. Nakaharap dito. Yan. So, down to our last bedroom and our primary bedroom. So, kung kayo yung gusto yung minimal rooms lang, or mas maraming space for your things, eto na siguro yung house for you. I'll go on this corner. This is where your headboard goes. Kasha and up to king size dito. And high ceiling yung master bedroom. Mas Sobrang echo nga ata ng video na outcome ng video natin. And dito parang may muntik nang sumakto sa 6 lang to eh. Ito yung Mars, Venus, Saturn, gano'n. Solar system natin. Muntik na maging ganon. And you also have your own balcony. Ay, ang taas nito. Parang ang taas. Tama ba? Well, this door leads to your toilet and bath naman for our primary bedroom, syempre. Primary bedroom comes with his and her sink, tag-isa din yung mirror. This one fluted panels, pero wavy yung design niya. Over here is sink and safe. Ay, ang luwag. Ang spacious nito. Ito siya. Spacious shower area. And rain shower ang ganda. Same sila dito. And right here, na medyo tago, is your corner built-in cabinet. So, dalawa yung nakalagay dito. Ayan. Gusto ko din tong cabinet nito. Ayan, that's it. Now, this side naman, let's just check your balcony. Pero, let's do your quick recap sa ground floor. Balik tayo doon. Spacious din yung sliding door sa balcony. This is, again, the front of the property din. For your primary. I'll see you downstairs. Okay, for the quick recap, the house is brand new and this one's located here in Mabalacat, Pampanga. The house sits at 128 square meters for the lot area and you get 175 square meters for your floor area. This is 3-bedroom, 2.5 toilet and bath. The house comes semi-furnished. You also have a single carport and you can also avail this via cash, bank financing, and in-house. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Aza, your Bicolano Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video. What you call this? Free-form curve ng swimming pool. Ang ganda niya. Over there, mga pang kids. Ganda ng shape.